If you want faster internet and better phone calls on your iPhone, these are some settings you should mess around with. They're all in the settings app. If you go to the main settings page, the first ones we're going to check out are under cellular, which makes sense because that's where phone calls are made. One of the first options is the cell data options. Tap on that. I have roaming turned off, but in most countries, if you're in the country, your roaming will be free because you're in that country. So you can turn on data roaming. For voice and data, you can pick the fastest option. I've got an old phone, so it doesn't even have 5G, but newer phones have 5G capabilities. You want to use the 5G always on option because that will be the fastest. It might also cause your battery to drain faster. So if you find that's the case, you can turn that off again. But to have the best possible call quality and internet speed, you want to have 5G selected. You can also make sure that low data mode is turned off. But you should only do this if you have a large amount of data with your cell phone plan or even unlimited data. Next, go back out of here. Now scroll down to the very bottom. And here we see Wi-Fi Assist. This automatically uses cell data when Wi-Fi is not that strong. So you could have this turned off and then it's going to use cell data all the time. It doesn't even try to access a Wi-Fi network that might be weaker. So this could improve your call quality and internet speed. iCloud Drive, if this is turned on, then your iCloud is going to be syncing whenever you're on Wi-Fi. That will make your phone a little bit slower, your calls a little bit worse, your internet a little bit slower when this is working because there's only a certain amount of bandwidth available for all these tasks. You might also have an iCloud backup option. You can also turn that off. And that will provide the best quality and the most bandwidth for your phone calls and internet. So once you have all those set, there's another spot with the last bit of settings, and that's under Wi-Fi. And if you tap the little I beside your Wi-Fi network, and you scroll down a little bit, you will see DNS. DNS is basically how Wi-Fi connects to the internet, or the servers your phone will connect through. Most of the time it's set to automatic. You can make it set to manual, and you can run this through Google servers or Cloudflare servers, which are super fast. So if I close this, and then close this, and then tap on Add Server, the Cloudflare servers are super easy to remember. They are 1.1, just 1.1.1, and then 1.0.0.1. Then hit save. After those things are all set up, you should have the fastest possible phone and connection that you can have. If we speed test this thing, we see that it's pretty quick. This is the that was download speed. This is the upload speed. That's pretty fast. You're not going to get these results everywhere, that's for sure. You have to have a certain available bandwidth on your Wi-Fi in the first place, but this could potentially speed up your Wi-Fi access and your phone call quality because all the settings you need to have on are on, all the settings that you don't need to have on are off, saving the bandwidth for phone calling and internet speed. And your iPhone also tracks you. There's a bunch of settings that track all kinds of stuff about you on your iPhone, including washing your hands. Your iPhone listens to you when you're washing your hands. It's super weird, but it does it. If you want to turn that off, as well as a bunch of other tracking settings, check out this video right here next. And if you got value from the video you just watched, like and subscribe to let me know, and I'll see you on that one.